In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Booksy Biz and make sure your time zone settings are correct. This is something that might seem small, but it's absolutely critical for keeping your appointment schedule in order. Whether you're using the Booksy Biz app on your iOS or Android device or logging in through Booksy Biz web on your computer, we've got you covered. First, let's start by opening the Booksy Biz app. It's that familiar icon sitting on your home screen if you're on a mobile device. Once you open it, or if you're using the web version, log in with your credentials to access your dashboard. It's important to ensure you're logged into the right account where you manage your business schedule. Now that you're in, look towards the bottom of your dashboard screen and tap on Settings, marked by the small gear icon. From here, you'll want to navigate to Business Settings and then to Calendar Settings. This section is where we'll focus on getting your time zone configured correctly. As you scroll through Calendar Settings, you'll want to look for the Time Zone section. This might be positioned towards the bottom, so make sure you scroll all the way down. If you find that the time zone listed doesn't align with your actual location, you'll need to update it to avoid any scheduling mishaps. To do this, tap on Edit next to the time zone field. This will present you with a drop-down list of available time zones. Take a moment to find your correct time zone, whether it's GMT+8, EST, PST, or any other, because getting this right is crucial. Once you've selected the appropriate time zone, it's wise to double-check that the displayed time mirrors your local time accurately. Once you're confident that the time zone setting reflects your local time, you can proceed to the next step, which is to tap Save or Apply. This ensures that all changes are securely updated in the system. Finally, you'll want to refresh your calendar. This step is crucial to confirm that all your appointments now appear at the correct local time, preventing any potential scheduling conflicts or confusion for you and your clients. You can simply refresh by swiping down on your calendar screen if you're on mobile, or by clicking the refresh button if you're on a web browser. Following these steps will help ensure that your appointment times are perfectly aligned with your local time, allowing you to manage your schedule smoothly. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps to keep your calendar in check. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out.